Growing up around here on the coast, I was into surfing and decided I wanted to shape a board, and I shaped the board to start with. Around here, as it's mostly rocks, so you're surfing above reef, you're constantly smashing your boards. I was already thinking, how can I get around it? And so it was really important to have a board which was easily repairable. Hi, I'm Ig Wilkinson and I'm shaping wooden surfboards. I guess what I'm most proud of with the wooden boards is they actually start to have more liveliness than a foam and fiberglass board because of the pre-tensioning in timbers. Yeah, you can make a wood board out of any wood and order it from anywhere around the world, and a lot of people were, and then labelling them as an eco board, but I don't think that's very ecological. I'll buy the timbers that are grown within 15 miles of the house. I guess the biggest challenge in shaping boards is dust, and you're covered in it. The net discs allow so much more dust to pass through them. You're getting a clean pass so you can see exactly what you're doing when you're working. You don't have to stop and wipe the board down between passes. The best thing for me about having a dust extraction system and dust-free tools is the fact that I don't have to wear a dust mask anymore and feel restricted having this horrible thing stuck on my face the whole time I'm working. Also the benefit of not having to clean down the workshop before any finishing processes, so you're ready to go on to the next thing straight away, which is great.